Good morning, kids, and happy Holy Sabbath. Isn't it amazing that we are alive and breathing? Yes, God is so wonderful that He woke and gifted us with another day to praise and rest in Him. Also to learn and listen about new things. Speaking of listen, have you heard what sounds does the animals produce? Or have you seen how big and small they are? We will learn some of the characteristics of a mouse, a lion, an elephant, a giraffe, a kitten, a cheetah, and a skunk. For He created the animals perfectly. Of course, and we will try to act and sound like them. That's so exciting! Are you ready, kids? Let's sing here on Fingers in Tune! I'm as quiet as a mouse, listen to me. Quiet as a mouse, listen to me. Quiet as a mouse, listen to me. Squeak, squeak, squeak. I'm as loud as a lion, listen to me. Loud as a lion, listen to me. Loud as a lion, listen to me. Roar, roar, roar. I'm as big as an elephant, look at me. Big as an elephant, look at me. Big as an elephant, look at me. Stomp, stomp, stomp. I'm as tall as a giraffe, look at me. Tall as a giraffe, look at me. Tall as a giraffe, look at me. Hello down there. I'm as cute as a kitten, won't you play with me? Cute as a kitten, won't you play with me? Cute as a kitten, won't you play with me? Meow, meow, meow. I'm as fast as a cheetah, you can't catch me. Fast as a cheetah, you can't catch me. Fast as a cheetah, you can't catch me. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm as stinky as a skunk, you better run away. Stinky as a skunk, you better run away. Stinky as a skunk, you better run away. Pew, pew, pew. Wow, this song is enjoyable. Exactly, and I learned a lot. We just only need to listen and look at them. Big as an elephant, tall as a giraffe, cute as a kitten, fast as a cheetah, and stinky as a skunk. It is fun to pretend such animals, and it's fun to sing along too. The next time that I see a mouse, a lion, an elephant, a giraffe, a kitten, a cheetah, and a skunk. Kids, let's do it again. Quiet as a mouse, loud as a lion, big as an elephant, tall as a giraffe, cute as a kitten, fast as a cheetah, and stinky as a skunk. Every time that we will see these animals, we will be reminded of how great and marvelous our God. And remember, God is always with us, and He loves loves me. He loves you. And He loves us. This is Bidon. And this is Sophia. Until next time, here on Finger